It is unclear whether the demand to repeal Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 will be included in BJP manifesto for the 16th Lok Sabha election. But BJP State President T.S. Chaoba is hopeful that if NDA comes to power, then they will try to repeal the Armed Forces Special Powers Act from the state. When questioned by the media about the removal of the act, T.S. Chaoba said BJP alone cannot remove Armed Forces Special Powers Act and its removal will take time. T.S. Chaoba assured that first they will try to remove disturbed area status from the state. He said once it is announced, Armed Forces Special Powers Act will exist only for the name's sake.
Akoi manifesto se yaurani AFSPA se lokthokadabani haibasi BJP ki phirepni akoi gi assembly election gi chu ma'am bo bigre yauri duni hadak su yaubani chatlahan na ba chatna han danna ba honagani lokthokani haibadugi mathangda chatna han danna ba honagani haibagi arthade lokthok pudi ngai da sam lokthokte na ara lokthok pare khoina ngamde parliament na ni.
So far, none of the BJP MPs have raised the issue of removal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Parliament. Questioning to how BJP will remove Armed Forces Special Powers Act from the state, this is what T.S. Chaoba had to say.
In a documented peg and gong dragon tanga, a data, Parliament of Pokakiba Miam Lake, Aduga AFSPA city government na. Madugi damakta Jibanderi Commission nama semaga hojik Jibanderi Commission ki porto pikhale recommend or cabinet na lodri.
According to Impact News sources, BJP candidate for inner parliamentary seat Dr. R.K. Ranjan will meet Irom Chanu Sharmila, but the BJP state president have no clue about this meeting.
Jaranjan nang tang mana asongi unna se hara pranatraga unna bakari no dukhangre mahalaga adum hayan jarage mana unna ba chatlimni na karino dukhangre na ina hairoraga khodok na hodre.
Tomorrow, Deputy Chief Minister of Goa, Francis D'Souza, will campaign at None for outer constituency. On the other hand, many politicians from NPF, NCP and Congress parties today joined the BJP. With camera person Som Sorokhaibam and Ramananda Laksangthem, then Subham Sangeeta, Impact News, Imphal.